Let it play. Here we go.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yo, we've been in the line for a minute. She's already checked in, I'm trying to check in right now.
Did you guys miss me?
Facts. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen my sister in a vlog, that's my sister Imani. So we're here at Hilton Montego Bay for like 2 nights, I believe. You guys wanna see my mom, it's gonna be awesome. You see me? And yeah, yo, I'm just drink like a cup of this thing, I'm a frost already. Like
Lightweight.
total lightweight, but this a weekend, beer champagne. So the blue wristband mean rich people?
Hilton honors.
What are the difference in the bands?
The red is Hilton honors diamond, blue is Hilton honors blue, green is not Hilton honors.
Oh, it's about the honor system.
Right.
Okay, cool. So it's the Ibby honor rebel. Thank you. Cuffing season. That's it? Oh well, yeah, facts. Alright, so finally got checked in. This is my very first time at Hilton. So far, apart from the long reception, yeah, it's my first time. Apart from I've been to Hiltons in the US, but never, I remember that, but I never been here. Yeah, so my sister was living the life. She was getting day passes all the time because my mom used to work here. Yeah, tourism is it's kind of like in our blood because my mom used to work with hotels before, and then she worked with Ayy Jamaica. So yeah, hospitality is it. But yeah, we're here and the water looks amazing. I look amazing right now. Oh my God. Yeah, so we just got to, well, I just got to the area where we're gonna sit and eat. Well, I'm gonna sit and eat for a minute. Funny story. So one of my subscribers was watching the vlogs like for a minute, and then she found out that she was my cousin. That's so strange, but yeah.
The funny part is that when she came to the house, she wasn't expecting it to be
me,
yeah.
My house.
So when she went into the living room, she's like, "Wait, what? Wait, that's your son?"
Huge surprise.
She was so surprised.
Wow.
Because I was like, my dad was like, "You're gonna stay at your aunt's house." I'm like, "Okay, fine." But then that day, I was tired that night. I was so tired. And then the following morning, I woke up and I was looking at the pictures in the living room. And I was like, oh my God, no way. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Alright guys, so finally got something to drink. Here, having some champagne right now. And just pretty much relaxing. I'm just gonna have something to eat, and then I will head over to where my sisters are. My sister and my cousin are. What I'm having right now, I'm gonna have a burger. It's a basic burger. I'll just tell you guys if it's a good burger or not, because you know, that's one thing about hotels. Sometimes you come to some hotels and the food is very generic. But if it's a generic dish, you kind of hope for it to be pretty good, even if it's all inclusive or not. So I'll let you guys know. Alright, thank you, sir. Thanks. Yeah, man. Alright, so the burger is here. Basic burger, cheeseburger, all the fittings. Yeah, here you guys can see. And some fries. Alright, so I just had the burger just now. As I said, generic burger, but it was pretty good. I'd give that burger maybe like a 7.5. It was pretty good. The fries though, fries weren't banging. But I just ordered cornmeal pudding with some vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna try that out, and I'll tell you how good the cornmeal pudding is. Yeah, I hope it's good. Alright, so I just got the cornmeal pudding. I hope it's as good as I can make it, or as good as my grandmother did. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it and tell you guys, you know, what I think about this cornmeal pudding. It's definitely not the hella bottom, heaven on top type of effect, but Okay. Yo. Good flavor, good consistency. Yeah, the only thing that's missing is that heaven on top, but it really don't need it. It's that good. I'm enjoying that. Yeah. Come and put in. Turn up. All right, guys. So I'm on the move. I'm gonna head to that pool party thing. But yo, that pudding was like perfecto. Like that pudding just made the entire meal just perfect. But anyway, I'll catch up with you guys soon.
Going up first. Your sub. All right, you can go back in the pool. This is what I need you to do for me. Find 10 ladies to get up here. So we gotta do. Copy. Let's do this again. 1. 11, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Get up, chuck the bear.
That was 10. Chug it.
Get up, chug it.
Madness. Time to beat is 14 seconds. Listen, I didn't make the rules. Who's next?
Alright, so what's always typical at any hotel in Jamaica, there's gonna always be like entertainment coordinators who are gonna be around to like, you know, have parties, do activities around the pool so that you guys can have a lot of fun. What I love about this place is that there actually is a water slide, like that's dope. But I never brought my GoPro, but I have my iPhone, which is waterproof, so whenever I do use that, probably tomorrow, I'm definitely going to be filming that. I think it's going to be great. So yeah, the vibe over here is pretty cool. I am enjoying it so far. It's a good day. Before I forget to mention where I'm at the Hilton, and that's in Montego Bay, Rose Hall. That's where I'm at, Hilton Rose Hall. I'll put the information in the description box so you guys can find it on your own and maybe decide if you want to come here and check it out yourself.
7, 8, 9, 10. Track it.
Yeah, so I just pretty much took like a small little walk around the pool. There's a lazy pool here, so if you just want to lay out, get some sun while the currents move you around, there's a lazy pool, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so far the property is a nice size. I can't complain about it so far, but I'll gradually explore it as I'm here.
What you mean? So ladies and gents, make it nice and loud for Excuse me. Hello. Adam. I need those 2 ladies, please. Hello. So what about now? I need 10 beautiful ladies right now.
Bring them up,
yeah. I got 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No, me first too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 more ladies. 6. Excuse me. Don't take no for an answer, sir. No, sir? Could you touch her? Just tap her on the shoulder. She's had it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 3 more ladies right now. 3. Come here. Actually, problem too. We can't have the fun. Ayana, I'm waiting. She made it. I still need 2 more. How about those 2 princesses known as the queen of the dance hall? Now this competition is about wits, talent, nerve, charisma, uniqueness, and everything in between. Mari. ¿De dónde eres? Cuba. All right. Now, whenever the DJ plays a song, all I want you to do is represent for Cuba, dance your best, put your heart into it, and have fun. So make a nice laugh for contestant number 1. DJ, you ready? All right, so step on up on the mat, safety first, no State Farm, no Geico, no General. All we got is twerking and fun. DJ, play that song, let's go. So come on. Let's go. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and pump. Let's go. Come on. 9. Come on. Somebody make some noise. Let's go.
Baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, look it, baby, suck up on that, kick into that. Got a hickey, baby, watch me, could have brought the range. Come on, chain noodle, but I spent some change.
And we go 10. Here we go.
Baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, baby, suck up on that, kick into that. Got a hickey, baby, watch me, could have brought the range.
Pick it up now. All my heart palpitations. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Listen, don't act all coy. Don't act like you don't got this. Look at us madness. What is your name and where are you from?
Kadisha from London.
Kadisha from London. All right, so step on up on the mat. DJ, let it play. Here we go. Come on, somebody make some noise. When you look up into it, them a thing. Let me put on the ice like a lick of them. We go together. Shake it up and there's some milk here. So me start shake me here. In a night, you know, here, I'll make you spit here. We can She said that, listen, guys, I don't want to be shady, but she says she's so tired of everybody thinking that they're a dancer. She's the one that you got to worry about. She has an attitude on her. Yeah. Ladies and gents, do you want to see? The music hasn't even started yet. What is your name? Where are you from?
My name is Imani and I'm from Trelawney, Jamaica.
DJ, let it play. Here we go. It's gonna be a ceremony. You got all of the penny section around the back right there. I like it. Good. Is it contestant number 2? Girl, you got fans. I like it. Is it contestant number 3? All right. Contestant number 4. Thank you. Thank you. All right, you may return to the pool. Step over. Contestant number 5. Watch again. Contestant number 1. Stay. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. I don't know if I'm listening to an ambulance, but everybody sounds the same. Watch it. Contestant number 4. And you can keep strutting it on into the pool. Thank you. Now, listen up, guys. We only... Contestant number 9. It's okay. Don't worry about it. All right, let's try this again. Contestant number 1. I hear some dogs barking. I didn't know you brought your pets. Stay. Contestant number 2. All the whining in the world can't help you now. Contestant number 3. Step on over. I'm even scared to ask. Contestant number 4. It is safe to say. Here we go.
Alright, I think you guys pretty much catch the whole idea. Like, I don't think there's nobody out there that parties like Jamaican people. Jamaican people party hard. Like in Jamaica, we'll have easily like a party every single day of the week. It doesn't have to be on the weekend. We'll party till we drop. That's how Jamaicans are. But yeah, if you guys respect me coming out here, getting you this footage, because you guys can see I'm sweating as hell. I was hot trying to, you know, get down low, get the footage for you guys so you can have like as close as an experience as I am having here. Drop a like on the video, I really appreciate that. But I'm gonna close this video off here. I'm gonna go off there and enjoy myself just as much, and I'll catch you guys later on this evening where I'll be filming maybe some restaurant that my mom has planned for us. But remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. You guys saying a press?
Press. For real press, like all the way out. I've had too much champagne. I took a shot. I'm just like, I'm ready for the room to pass
out.